best way I know how to check for smoothness is taking my bare hand. Now, I do like wearing those gloves when I do work. But when it comes to this, you want to make sure the damage has been smoothed down perfectly. So I take my bare hand and I run it across the dresser. If I feel anything that's not perfectly smooth, and you will feel it under your touch, then you need to go back in and either hand sand or use your palm sander to sand it out again. Once I had all that wood filler sanded down perfectly smooth, I brought it back into my paint room. I gave it a really good wipe with a tack cloth, and it was time to give it another coat of primer. Once the primer dries, I give it a really light sanding and wipe it off with a tack cloth again. And here's what it looks like. Oh my goodness. It is smooth as a baby's bottom, and it is ready for paint. To watch the full tutorial and see the before and after, just click on the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.